How to watch football matches live on a mobile and computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide I'll show you how can you watch football matches live on mobile and computer. Now to do it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you have to do is open up the browser, and on the web address bar you want to type in TNT Sports. When you type in that, you could find the first link that appears, so you want to click that link. When you go to this section, you'll be taken to the official page of TNT Sports, and this is how the interface will look like. So what next you want to do is click on the try bar icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen, and then you want to simply go ahead and locate football section, and you could actually go ahead and select either one of it, and once done you will click on videos. As you go to the video section, then it's going to take a couple of seconds in order to load it up, and here you could see live schedule by sports, box office, all that. You could go ahead and select it, and once you do it, so then you could go ahead and categorize, or you could go ahead and select the date and all that, and you could watch a football match live on mobile as well as computer. So that is how you do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.